Welcome to Azimuth Services, your all-in-one solution for seamless automatic cryptocurrency payments and payouts. Let's delve into how it works through a demonstration on an example website. In this scenario, the business automates the transfer of credits equivalent to the transaction's USD price to the user upon a successful transaction. Once you've added the provided code snippet, the Connect Wallet button seamlessly integrates into your website, with the added flexibility to match your site's style. Upon user login into your platform, they can effortlessly connect their preferred cryptocurrency wallet with a single click. The options include a variety of popular wallets, from hot software wallets like MetaMask to hardware wallets like Ledger. After connecting, users initiate the payment transaction process by clicking the Pay button. This action presents a compact payment window that integrates smoothly with your website's existing UI. Within this window, users navigate through different networks and select the one that suits their preferences, and then select the payment token from a diverse range of over 100 options, with more available upon request. After choosing the desired network and payment token, along with their token balance, real-time USD values are promptly displayed for the user's specified token amount. This empowers users to make informed decisions. Upon confirming the transaction by clicking the Pay button, a straightforward wallet approval process triggers the transaction, routing it to the blockchain and subsequently to your business wallet. Within seconds, users receive a confirmation notification upon the successful completion of the transaction. Behind the scenes, once the payment arrives in your business wallet, you instantly receive a live notification containing all payment details. Our streamlined code ensures you possess the necessary information to seamlessly automate your operations, whether it involves transferring credits, recording transactions, or any other customized functionality. In this example, the business-defined functionality entails automatically adding credits equal to the transaction's USD value to the user's account, all within seconds and without any human intervention or overhead. Now, after you witnessed the power of Azimuth, we'll shortly review the benefits of incorporating Azimuth's solution to your website, which takes only a few minutes. Azimuth empowers businesses with fully automatic payments, eliminating human manual processes in crypto transactions. This allows users to swiftly and securely make payments while affording you the ability to define automatic actions following successful transactions, such as delivering goods or transferring equivalent credits. Utilizing Azimuth grants you free and instant integration, bypassing time-consuming KYC/KYB processes, ensuring secure, fast, and user-friendly crypto payments for your business. This fosters a seamless experience that keeps customers engaged on your website, resulting in a fluid cash flow without the need for manual intervention. However, that's not the extent of it. Our advanced dashboard offers comprehensive analytics, graphs, and visualizations, providing real-time insights into your financial operations pulse. Moreover, the dashboard enables quick access to payouts, enabling you to promptly fulfill customer requests while maintaining centralized data and monitoring. With Azimuth, you're not merely adopting a payment solution, you're embracing an innovation that empowers both your business and customers. For more information, please contact us using the provided email snippet and become part of the revolution that offers hassle-free cryptocurrency payments and payouts.